कोरजुवें आणि साखळी ह्या दोन्ही जे आशिल्लें काम सुरवात एक्चुअली टेंडर ओपनिंग बी जाल्लें म्हजे पयलीं in 2021, but then the work was not began. When I took over the department, the work started. आणि त्याच्या नंतर मातशे मदीं ताजेर प्रॉब्लम्स कितें जाले की the accounts have problems for to certify their bills. Ongoing works आसा पळय न्ही ताका the question whether we have authority, the consultant can certify the bills. So accordingly we have resolved the issue and it remains pending for quite a long without payment. The consultant the contractors had to wait for their RA bills. And the issue is resolved now and then we are expecting to finish it. Now the 60% of the work is done and the time period for that was nearly 2 years. But then we have crossed that time and we have given them the extended time. And now work will go within another 6 months of time. We will get everything ready and the fort will be fully renovated, open for the public. साधारण 2 कोटीचे आसतलो exact I don't know. It is within that. The Corjuem is 2.5 and Saklem is nearing about 2 crores. Chapura fort also we have taken up. We have floated a tender and we got now 2 bids. The bids will be analyzed, scrutiny is going on, and then that work also will begin. Betul Fort is concerned. Betul Fort is, we have asked for the possession of land because this fort is in the possession of central government, that is customs department. Not all the forts were built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, but there are quite a good forts which are built by Shivaji Maharaj and we find म्हणजे आमच्या तातूंत भितर आमच्या आर्कायव्जान भितर ताजे डॉक्युमेंट मेळटात. वी आर ट्रायंग टू रिस्टोर दॅट, प्रिजर्व इट अँड देन वी ओपन इट फॉर द चिल्ड्रन टू नो द हिस्ट्री ऑफ आवर गोवा.